Here's a Dodge Ram 3500 that was just finished up with a Viper remote start alarm, 1 mile, two-way pager, and the smartphone control module. Here's the remote. It notifies you of the alarm system being tampered with lights and noises. There's your lock. There's your unlock. Remote start, pop trunk. Now here's the keys. I'm gonna set them down and we're gonna grab the customer's phone. We already have the app loaded on the phone. Here's the Viper app. Now we have lock, unlock, remote start, and GPS tracking. So now we hit the lock. We wait for it to send the command, and a few seconds later, it'll lock it. There it says it was locked at 5:33 p.m. Now we hit unlock. Same thing. We wait for it to send the command. The keys are right there. There it unlocked. Now for the remote start, we push and hold and roll it up. Remote start in progress. Now this one here is a diesel, so we have it set up to delay 15 seconds. It'll hold the ignition, flash the lights, and then it'll crank the engine after about a 15-second wait. There's no one in the vehicle. Keys are on the hood. Both remotes are on the hood. And there you go. Viper remote start alarm, Dodge Ram 3500. I'm going to show you the alarm system that was installed. Have the boxes inside. This is the 1 mile two-way remote start, the new model 5806 with Viper SmartStart and GPS tracking. Both of them installed on this Dodge Ram 3500. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.